Got a couple blades here. My popular brand, Diablo blades. All right. Now, before doing anything like this, you gotta always make sure that the power's off. You don't want to be cutting into wires with power. That can really be a shocker. And play it safe all the time. Now I gotta remove this switch because I have to make sure that there are no screws from the inside of the box onto this metal box there. So well, the box is separated. Okay, we got that done. Now that that's out of the way, let's see how. Now, you may want to excuse my method, but this is what gets the job done right away. See what I mean? It's either that or taking hours. You probably can't see it on the camera. Oh, there you go. So you got one bend going that way, another one going that way. All right. Now, if you do something as stupid as I just did, make sure you always put this back in place. Straighten this out. That way you don't have trouble when you're installing the new one. You just want to come and drop it on there, and there you go. Well, now that it's off, what I'm gonna do is probably just drop the one on top just to cover this hole. We don't want to just till we pick up the new one. So anyway, everything's fine. This thing's off. It's useless anyway. It's all rotten, completely gone. Bearings are gone, so it's all damaged. It's useless. All right, so next time you see me, again, look it up, the installation of the new swamp cooler, because that's exactly what we're about to do next. We'll probably do that sometime tomorrow, or it's Sunday today, maybe Monday, Tuesday.